Imagine this, a 450-foot guitar-shaped hotel, free nightly light shows, Vegas-style pools with DJs, different celebrity events, and a casino floor that's buzzing with energy. And here's the kicker, you can experience all of this without blowing your budget if you know the right hacks. Welcome to the Seminole Hard Rock Casino in Hollywood, Florida, one of the most unique casino resorts in the world. I want you guys to stick around because at the end I'm going to rank this casino compared to some of the different legendary ones in Atlantic City, Las Vegas, as well as some of the ones in Connecticut. Plus I'll share some insider tips on the different best discounts, freebies, as well as the ways to stretch your dollar here. Welcome back, this is the Castaway Travelers. We bring you guys the best money-saving travel tips, hidden gems, as well as discounted getaways. If you guys haven't already, check out our Miami and Fort Lauderdale videos. Those itineraries have been posted and they're full and jam-packed with different hacks as well. Be sure to like, subscribe, as well as hit the bell so you guys don't miss any of the ways to travel smarter. Step number 1 at the Hollywood Hard Rock is going to be signing up for the Unity by Hard Rock Rewards card. This is a free program. I'm going to say that one more time, completely free. And it's honestly one of the best things you can do here. Every dollar you spend, whether it's on food, drinks, shopping, spa treatments, gambling, earns you different points and rewards that you can potentially redeem at any Hard Rock casino worldwide. So budget tip is that for military members and veterans, you guys automatically get bumped to the second level in that tier system, which means you automatically get free self-parking, which saves you $30 to $50 a day, discounts on dining and retail, as well as access to exclusive promotions and giveaways. So another hidden freebie for this card also is that the hotel regularly offers 2-for-1 drink coupons, as well as free slot play units for new Unity members. So make sure you guys ask when you sign up. So let's talk about some of the cheapest nights as well as the room rates for this casino. If you guys want to stay overnight, here's an insider hack. I want you to avoid the Fridays and Saturdays. The weekday rates, especially Monday through Wednesday, like most casinos, end up being 30 to 40% cheaper, which is huge if you guys are trying to save some money on your trip. So on average, rooms at this casino can drop from around $450 a night on weekends to as low as $250 to $280 during the week if you book early. And there's also military and Florida resident discounts that can help you bring that price down even further. So definitely check those boxes or call them when you're trying to book. So entertainment at this casino doesn't have to cost a thing. 2 of the must-sees that are totally worth it and 100% free are going to be the nightly projection concerts on the outside of the Guitar Hotel. Lasers, lights, music, turning the entire building into a giant concert. The second one on this list is going to be the free Oculus Waterfall, which is right inside the casino lobby that has a sound and light experience that runs at scheduled times throughout the day and offers different music, different songs, as well as different videos that play while the experience is going on. Both are completely unforgettable photo and video experiences, and the best part is, they don't cost you a single dime. So now let's talk about the different pools as well as the day life hacks over here. So this pool complex is one of the most beautiful in South Florida, and you don't have to be a high roller to actually enjoy it. So if you guys are staying at the Hard Rock and you're a hotel guest, the pool access is 110% included. Non-guests can buy day passes for about $50 to $75, but it's usually cheaper midweek. So you guys can even rent kayaks and paddleboards right at the pool also. Something that you won't find at most casinos, and I personally have not seen this at any of the other spots that I've been to in Las Vegas, Atlantic City, or Connecticut. So for the Vegas style experience, I want you guys to check out the DAER Nightclub, which is where the party's at. Hotel guests can also get complimentary admission before 12 p.m., while non-guests usually end up paying about $20 to $40 depending on the performer and how popular they are. So some of the big names like Rick Ross, DJ Khaled, and even Illenium have headlined here, and they even have shows upcoming this fall and this winter at the casino. So quick pause, guys. If you guys are finding these tips helpful already, make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you guys missed our Miami and Fort Lauderdale itinerary guides, go watch those too. We shared all the best budget tips, free attractions, and military discounts. I want you guys to also subscribe to the Castaway Travelers so you never miss any of these money-saving adventures moving forward. All right, let's jump back in. So dining at the casino actually ends up kind of being a high-end splurge to a wallet-friendly bite kind of situation, so you definitely got to check these out. Here's how to make the most of it and understand how much you're going to pay at these different dining spots. So we checked out Abianca Wood-Fired Grill when we were here. We tried the skirt steak, and it was well worth it. The flavor was incredible, and the second-story balcony views over the pool were unmatched. So the entrees of this spot ran for about $35 to $65. Second dinner spot I want you guys to check out is going to be Council Oak Steak and Seafood. You can see this specific restaurant at other casinos in Atlantic City as well as Las Vegas. This is the perfect spot for a splurge night, and has steaks starting at about $60, so relatively affordable. If you guys aren't feeling the steaks, I want you guys to check out Cipresso, which is a modern Italian spot with different pastas starting at about $20 to $25, making it one of the best value spots in this entire casino. Next, I want you guys to check out the Beach Club Bar and Grill. So this is great for some shareable plates right over by the pool, with burgers and salads running for about $18 to $25. Last but not least, I can't not talk about the Hard Rock Casino without discussing the Hard Rock Cafe. So this is a classic staple, known worldwide, with some of the most budget-friendly and sit-down options, with entrees running for about $15 to $25 at this spot. So unlike Atlantic City and Las Vegas, drinks here aren't comped. I want you guys to be aware of this when you guys are out on the casino floor. They even have menus showing the exact cost for all of these different cocktails. So you guys will pay out of pocket for these. So the best deals that we found are actually over at the PLA Sports Bar, where happy hour runs weekdays from 4 to 7 p.m. with discounted pints and appetizers in the $6 to $8 range. Alright, let's move on to the nightlife. For nightlife, you guys have options. There's Entice Nightclub, DAER Dayclub, as well as the Davidoff Cigar Lounge. So going back over to Entice, hotel guests get free entry before midnight, except during many of those special events, and that can save you $30 to $50 alone per person, which is huge if you guys are staying there. And back over to DAER, I want you guys to expect that Vegas level energy similar to the day club, and cover charges run for about $30 to $75, but hotel guests can often utilize those get in early discounts. And back over to the Cigar Lounge, this is more of a quieter upscale type spot, which is great if you guys are expecting to sip, sit down, and relax without some of that nightclub chaos. So shopping at the Hard Rock isn't necessarily cheap. There's a lot of luxury boutiques and branded Hard Rock gear that dominates the building, but if you guys are using your Unity card that I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you guys will earn points with every purchase. So stack those points, utilize them, and then you can redeem them later at Hard Rock properties worldwide. For relaxation, I want you guys to check out the Rock Spa. It's a little bit pricey, but Unity members often get $25 to $50 off on certain treatments, especially midweek if you're going to the spa. Finally, I can't not discuss a rooftop bar. That's one of my favorite things to cover in all my videos. It's one of the best places for a cocktail with a view of the Guitar Hotel. So drinks over here at the rooftop bar run for about $12 to $15, which is actually cheaper than many of the Miami Beach rooftop bars that I've covered in previous videos. So how does the Seminole Hard Rock Casino rank against some of the other legendary casinos we've visited? So out of 14 of them, including Las Vegas, Atlantic City, and many Connecticut properties, I rank the Hard Rock Casino in Hollywood, Florida, tied for third place, right along the Bellagio in Las Vegas and the Ocean Casino Resort in Atlantic City. So the only two that edge out this casino 100% for me is going to be the Wynn, which is right in Las Vegas, as well as the Circa, which is in downtown Las Vegas right over on Fremont Street. But here's the bottom line. So if you want a casino resort with some incredible design, free entertainment, midweek discounts, and perks for military members, Hard Rock Hollywood is an absolute spot that's worth your trip. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the Castaway Travelers, and check out our Miami and Fort Lauderdale guides for some even more money-saving hacks right in South Florida. Drop a comment if you guys have been to the Hard Rock, or if it's now on your bucket list from this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure. Keep traveling.